Good morning, all of you. I am Navneet. I am the student of Asia Maritime Academy. I am talking about the topic Sri Lanka sees positive bunker prospects on pricing economics, development of ports. Sri Lanka will likely benefit from a possible bunkering demand shift from India due to pricing economics to emerge as a key regional marine fuel hub, especially by developing newer ports such as Hambantota. The industry sources told. Then the tightening availability of very low sulfur fuel oil in India has some participants in the country. Whatever stock is available at the moment is selling out at a fast pace. A Mumbai-based bunker trader said, suggesting a strong demand for cleaner fuels. The charterers and coastal guard ships consume majority of the stock in India's local market, thereby limiting availability to foreign ships. The restricted availability of BLS in India is also reflected in its prices. Typically, the bunker fuel prices in India are usually lower than those at Sri Lanka, as the latter mostly sources its bunker fuel from Singapore and Fujairah, making the fuel costlier. Then the Mumbai delivered marine fuel 0.5% bunker price average 399.66 per metric ton rupees during September 1 and 2020 January 29 2021, lower than the same grade delivered in Colombo, which averaged 404.85 per metric ton US dollar. However, the spread between the Mumbai and Colombo delivered marine fuel 0.5% bunker prices hit 23 per metric ton US dollar on February 9 and February 10, the widest since to the global players began assessing the grade at both locations on September 1, 2020. The current ample availability has led sellers to now be able to offer product deliverable ports such as Colombo and Trincomalee on a prompt basis, some up to 4 days forward compared with the spot delivery, which was possible only 9 to 10 days forward in the recent past. The Colombo port currently has 3 container terminals: Jaya Container Terminal, South Asia Container Terminals, and Unity Container Terminal. The plans are also underway to ramp up operations at the Hambantota port. The Sri Lanka's Hambantota port, located on the southern coast, is within 10 nautical miles of the main shipping route from Asia to Europe and holds a strategic position on China's maritime Silk Road. It is a part of country's global development plan under China's Belt and Road Initiative. Then the Hambantota International Port Group, or HIP, a joint venture formed by the Sri Lankan government and China Merchant Port Holdings, awarded the Sinopec Fuel Oil Sales Co. a tender in 2019 to provide marine fuel and other ancillary services to ships calling and passing through Hambantota. And in April 2020, the Chinese Embassy of Sri Lanka said on its Twitter account that HIP welcomed its first oil tanker, Melody, which berthed at the port to discharge fuel and commence bunkering. That's all my topic. I hope you are enjoying this session. Now the floor is open for questions. Thank you.